Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus delivered for 2020 Nissan X-Trail stock number 6496. This ran from 2nd 2014 to 7th 2022. Here's a QR25DE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is a QR25DE 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, right front 17-inch factory alloy maker tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,